So it's one of the main reasons why we always start with the strategy piece. So like all of our clients go through a process called the Better Book Blueprint, where we literally go, okay, why does this book exist? Like, who is it for? What is the core message that you're trying to hit? And, where does it sit within other books? And what's that journey that you're taking on? And if I can pick on Johnny, who's smiling quite a lot during this, and I'm sure he won't mind me picking on him, because Johnny is one who has so many stories and so
It
much
was an ocean.
expertise.
He
It was
had
an
an ocean.
ocean. And when we started working out like who his book was for, we've brought him way down in terms of focus. And we've had to keep reminding him sometimes of like, no, it's not for this person. We don't need that. But that's why making those decisions really early on is really important, because like Johnny could have written a book that was, all of the stuff that he's ever known, but it wouldn't have been as valuable as going, actually, like in his case, this is for store managers and retail environments and being able to really focus in on them. And I just read the first full draft and it's looking bloody awesome. So I think that's where it's really important, is you've got to make those decisions early, because otherwise what happens is you just end up with so much content, but it's not as valuable because you haven't thought about that journey that you're taking people on.